hunting already?
Mm-hmm.
Pop Pop's Bees, I just come out of a fishing trip. We're gonna find out if bees like fish. And I left my hive tool here. So I'm glad I'm back. When were we up here? Yesterday? Day before yesterday?
Day before yesterday.
I hope they don't find my. Oh yeah, we got bees. We got bees. See the bee? Ah, yeah, they don't like the fish smell at all. She didn't sting me. Let's try it. They may find it offensive. These girls is locked and loaded too, because they moved in today. Named a coon. They started coon. Festooning bees. Flame of bees. Look how much comb they've drawn on that.
Yeah.
Bait frame. A new way to smoke bees. Get out of my face. Goodness gracious me. Nice flame of bees. Look at that comb they're drawn. That's crazy. That is crazy. You hear me?
Oh.
It's still amazing. They already got nectar and pollen put in that. Look at that side there. All right, girls, I'm gonna put you back together in a minute. Very nice swarm of bees. Still haven't seen Mama. This frame here's got the most bees in it, so maybe Mama's on here. Yeah, no, look how it came. There she is, right there. There's Mama. There's the queen. Ah, yeah, y'all don't like me poking at Mama. You're right there. Put Mama back in there. Mama looks little, but she may be freshly mated. Get off of me. Alrighty. Pop Pop's bee swarm number 61 officially. I still haven't posted the misfire on this swarm trap 2 days ago, but we knew they'd be moving in any day. They've arrived. Please like and subscribe. Y'all have a good day.